Imagine a world without rice. No clothes to wear. No cooking oil. No tea or coffee in the morning. Sounds impossible, right? That's because different crops silently run our daily life. Today, let's understand the main types of crops in agriculture. Simple, quick, and truly fascinating. First, food crops. These crops feed the world. Rice, wheat, maize, pulses, fruits, and vegetables give us energy, protein, vitamins, and minerals. No food crops means no life. Next, cash crops. These crops are grown to earn income. Cotton, sugarcane, tea, coffee, and rubber support farmers, industries, and global trade. They power rural economies. Then come oilseed crops. Mustard, sunflower, soybean, and groundnut give us cooking oils used every single day. From kitchens to cosmetics, oilseeds matter. Now, fiber crops. Cotton, jute, flax, and hemp give us clothes, ropes, and eco-friendly products. What we wear begins on a farm. Next are forage crops. Alfalfa, clover, and grasses feed livestock. Healthy animals mean better milk, eggs, and meat production. Strong farming starts with good feed. Then we have horticulture crops. Fruits, vegetables, and flowers add nutrition, income, and beauty to our lives. They nourish both body and mind. Finally, medicinal and aromatic crops. Tulsi, aloe vera, ashwagandha, lavender, and rosemary are used in medicines, cosmetics, and essential oils. Nature's healing power is growing stronger every day. Every crop has a purpose: food, income, health, or sustainability. Farmers don't just grow crops, they grow our future. Which type of crop fascinated you the most? Tell us in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for simple farming knowledge that truly matters. See you in the next video.